Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda.
Say.
Wishing all the Carnarvon Town fans a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Story now.
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn...
What's happy? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all the Covey Army. Thank you.
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda.
Wishing all the Carnarvon Town fans a very Merry Christmas. Try and stay out the tuttle.
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda i'r Covey Army. Diolch am eich sport drwy flwyddyn. Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda.
Wishing everyone at Carnarvon Town a very, very happy Christmas, all the supporters and the Covey Army. Come on!
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda i'r Covey Army.
Merry Christmas and have a great New Year to all the Coffee Army. Hope these results recently have treated you well and set you off for the new year.
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda.
So dwi'n dymuno Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda i bob un o'r cefnogwyr sydd wedi bod yn cefnogi ni trwy gydol y season dwytha a season yma.
So dwi'n cael dymuno Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda i'r holl Covey Army. Diolch yn fawr am eich cefnogaeth trwy tymor yma. A gobeithio nhw chi cael ymlaen i cefnogi ni am gweddill y tymor. Diolch yn fawr.
Just want to wish the Covey Army a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Thanks for all your support throughout the season so far. Thanks very much.
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda i'r Covey Army i gyd fel eich i boxing.
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Be'n fydd fi? Diolch yn anwms. Dyta?
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda.
Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda.
Ia, jyst eisiau deud Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda i Covey Army.
Nadolig Llawen i pawb a blwyddyn newydd dda. Thank you very much to all the Covey Army who week in and week out support us through thick and thin. We're looking to continue our good form, obviously on the back of a good 5-0 win there. So wishing you a Merry Christmas to yourselves and your loved ones and all the best for the new year. Let's get that top 6. Come on.